If bottled water in most cases represents an essential ally for assuring the proper hydration necessary to keep us in good health, as you might know, the plastic they're most commonly made of contributes to one of the biggest problems of the century. In fact, over 80% of the global plastic bottle production doesn't get recycled, which represents around 3 billion pounds of plastic bottles ending up in landfills or in the ocean every single year. And because each of these plastic bottles can take up to 450 years to decompose in the environment, the impact of this pollution becomes larger and larger over time. But things are about to change as multiple solutions are developing to make our water consumption habits much more sustainable. In this video, we shall explore a set of the coolest innovations which are paving the way for a plastic-less future in the bottled water industry. But before we get into it, you're invited to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Your support is much appreciated, and hope you have a good time watching. Number 1. The Choose Bottle. Created by the company Choose Water, the Choose Bottle is a bottle capable to entirely biodegrade within only a few months when exposed to the environment. The bottle is entirely made from sustainably sourced materials, featuring a 100% recycled paper pulp-based outer case, and an inner lining comprising fully biodegradable plant-based materials. And according to the team behind it, by decomposing, it may in fact be beneficial to the environment, as it could help neutralize soil acidity and provide nutrients to aquatic environments. Its metallic steel cap will also disintegrate within a year, through a natural rusting and decomposition process, ensuring a zero-waste bottled water solution. Number 2. The Cove Bottle. The Cove Bottle is another fully biodegradable bottled water packaging solution. This one, however, is made from polyhydroxyalkanoate, or PHA, an FDA-approved and naturally occurring biopolymer, whose physical and thermal properties make it as suitable as the regular PET plastics commonly in use, to water packaging. It also features a paper-based label, employing eco-friendly inks and glue. Its manufacturer assures the bottle is reusable until the use-by date, when it can then be disposed of, in a compost bin. And, as if left in soil or in the ocean, the material comprising it, PHA, will fully break down into carbon dioxide, water, and organic waste. In particular, the decomposition process at work is relatively fast, as the bottle is said to entirely biodegrade in soil, which is one of the least conductive mediums for biodegradation, in about 5 years only. Number 3. The UHO Water Bubble. The UHO is a flexible and blob-like water container, currently developed by the startup Notepla. Entirely based from seaweed extracts, the UHO bubble is edible, easily compostable, and biodegrades in 4 to 6 weeks. The UHO's small size and adaptable structure makes it possible to extend the concept to many other applications, including for example ketchup packets, soft drinks, spirituous beverages, and even cosmetics.
I have one!
Do it!
That's it! That was so good!
Number 4. Water Refill Stations. In growing numbers since the last few years, water refill stations are becoming of increasing importance in reducing the environmental impact of our day-to-day water consumption. Usually linked to the local water supply system, these machines are often equipped with very effective filters for additional water purification. And, by promoting a bring-your-own-bottle system, they provide consumers with direct access to quality water, while excluding the operational need for single-use plastic. Number 5. The Lark Bottle. The Lark Bottle is a reusable bottle, capable of self-purifying its content in itself. Equipped with an environmental-friendly ultraviolet LED technology, the bottle is self-cleaning and can eliminate up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses from the water placed inside it, and this whatever the water source might be. It automatically purifies your bottle 6 times a day, or whenever you press the top button. The self-cleaning process is quite fast, ranging from 60 seconds at normal to 3 minutes, depending on the mode chosen. The bottle is available in many colors, is BPA-free and entirely made from stainless steel, with a double-wall vacuum, enabling quality insulation for maintaining your water at the proper temperature. The system enables, at full battery charge, around 1 month of quality and plastic-free hydration. And, as sustainability concerns apply to drinking water, they apply to all sorts of beverages as well. In fact, due to a heavy demand on resources, the environmental impact of the beverage industry remains significantly high every year. With an important part of this being related to product packaging, which brings us to our final point. Number 6, the paper bottle. The paper bottle is a project carried by the company Paboco, a joint venture which stems from the collaboration of numerous actors of the bottling industry. This bottle, made from PEF, a plant-based polymer, sustainably sourced from wood fibers, is fully biodegradable and recyclable. The material assures, in particular, a protective lining inside the bottle, which provides the strength for holding carbonated liquids and other beverages. And, if ideally the bottle should end up in a recycling bin, in case it finds itself in the environment, it could decompose entirely, over the course of a year. The efforts behind the project have been backed by companies such as Carlsberg, Coca-Cola, L'Oreal and Absolut. And the company expects to bring its innovative sustainable bottles on the shelves by 2023. You're reaching the end of this video. At the right moment you can make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, to support the channel and see more videos like this one. Also feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below, and, if you have a favorite one, or suggestions to make to the list, make sure you add it too. By then, stay tuned and hope to see you in a next video.